We're now having a nice banding here in our garden. Ayan mga gulay na tinanim ko. Ayan, mga ganun. Ayan, banding, mag-iihaw kami. Ayan. My dear! It's very sunny. And with our Mila. Oh. She really loves here in the garden with the flowers. Look at the flowers. She loves it. This is the sunflower, spinach, chili. I don't know the other. And that one's squash. Here. And we're going to cook. We're going to grill chicken, and then this one is vegetable. We put it in and then the shrimp, right, my dear? Shrimp. Yeah, and then this is the celery to put it in the drinks. This is the one, right, my dear? Where to put in the drinks?
Yeah. Mint.
The mint?
Mint.
Only the leaves?
Only the leaves. Taste one. It's very nice.
Oh, nice. Oh, I like the smell.
I know.
There's only a plant here. We plant only this one here.